Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Complete Chemistry. Today we have come to page number 189 of new rationalized textbook of question number 6.3 of exercise. The question is you have to draw the structure of the following compound. IUPAC name is given, so let's get started. I have already written the question, so let's quickly draw the structure. The first question is 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. Since we have less space, instead of drawing complete structure or condensed structure, they have not asked which type of structure. So I'm going to draw it bond line structure, which is taking the minimum space. It is clear to understand. So let's get started. 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. So go to the main parent chain, pentane. So how many carbon you have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your pentane, correct? Now 2-chloro. So here I'll put chlorine. 3-methyl. Here I'll put just this. Even though if you don't write CS3 here, just put a line in bond line, you should understand that it is a methyl. So your first structure is over. Let's go to the next one. Para-Bromochlorobenzene. So a benzene ring. We know in benzene ring, what is the para position? Para-Bromochlorobenzene. That means at this is your chlorine and para position. This is your ortho, meta and para. This we already know. Here there is bromine. So para-Bromochlorobenzene. This is your second structure. Let's go to the next one. 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. So cyclohexane, that means there is a hexane ring, but there is no benzene ring over here. 4-ethyl 1-chloro. So let us take any one position as chlorine. Let us take this. Okay, 1-chloro over 4-ethyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position we have ethyl group. So ethyl group, how are we going to draw? C2H5, you can write it simple. Okay, it will be easy for you to understand what is ethyl group. Instead, you can just draw like this structure also. But still better if you write C2H5, it will be easy for you. Okay, next. This is very good question. So put a star mark here. 2 chlorophenyl 1 iodooctane. So always go to the parent chain first. Octane. That means how many you have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is octane. Now in that first position there is iodine. So here is the iodine. Next, second position. This is your second position. 2-chlorophenyl. It means there is a benzene ring in which in the second position there is a chlorine. Either this is your second position, this anywhere you can put. So this is your structure of 2 bracket 2 chlorophenyl 1 iodooctane. So I hope you are getting it very easily, very quick. Next, 2-bromobutane. So parent chain is butane. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position bromine. Over. So simple. See, bond line is, that's why very good. Take minimum time. It's very clear for you to understand the structure. Next, this also put a star mark. 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodoheptane. So just go to the heptane first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptane is over. Now 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodo. So 3 iodo I will put here. Third position iodine. You can count from here or here, your wish. Okay. I am starting from here, so I put 3 here. Now 4 tertiary butyl. So this is your 4. So I will do one thing. I will draw it a little big because otherwise I count it from here. 1, 2, 3. What I will do is I have to draw it a little big because there is no place over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 iodo. 1, 2, 3. So this is your iodine group over here. Now at fourth position you have tertiary butyl. What is the meaning of tertiary butyl? That means there is a carbon which is 3 degree. So how can I draw it in bond line instead of showing the carbons? What to do? This is your first carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon. Over. Draw it a little big, it will be easy for you. This also is correct. Next, 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl 2 methyl benzene. So 2 methyl benzene first. This is your benzene. Second position there is methyl group. First position there is bromine. And fourth position, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there is secondary butyl. Secondary butyl is what? Second degree carbon is attached here. So what you can draw here, instead of this 4, you can just write here a bond line 1. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl. So quick answers we are getting. 1,4 dibromo bute 2 in bute. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. One position there is bromine. Fourth position 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position also there is bromine. Dibromo bute 2 in. Second position we have a double bond. Over. So I hope you understood all this question. Very simple. Let's meet in the next question, which is 6.4. Thank you.